Yo, click it, and I decided to do a taste test. I was at the gas station and I found these new Starburst Sweet Heat. And let's see, the flavors are fiery watermelon, flamin' orange, strawberry mango, and pipe and pineapple. So, cameraman, what do you think?
Go for it.
Yeah. Now, the clerk said these are supposed to be really spicy. Like, they start off sweet, and then they're kind of spicy. Me being a spice fanatic, we'll see about that. But, let's see. What's this one? I think this is the strawberry one. So, if I can use these claws to get it open. But yeah, so they're supposed to be really, really good, really sweet, really hot, whatever. Strawberry mango. Doesn't really smell different, smells like the same, so. There's really like no spice. Actually, yeah, there is.
What kind of spice is it?
I don't know. It's not really. It's not like Tabasco sauce, but it's like.
It's not like wasabi, right?
No. If you put like too much black pepper on like ice cream or something, that's what it tastes like.
Black pepper?
Yeah, Starburst, not a good idea.